Hello you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Welcome to my channel. So it is currently 2:15 and I have been doing nothing today. I have been watching Manifest on Netflix, sitting on the couch. I've been enjoying my day, not doing anything. I feel a lot better than yesterday. No headache, knock on wood. But y'all know how I said that I was gonna clean today? Well, I didn't have to clean today because I ended up cleaning at 11:30 last night. 11:30, almost midnight. Jaron ended up playing his game and I was wore out on YouTube videos. I didn't feel like watching anything, so I got my ass up and I cleaned this whole entire house. I deep cleaned the bathroom. I folded 4 baskets of clothes. I organized my closet, did all of that. So today I was able to just chill and do nothing, which that's fine with me. But yeah, I think this is the first time that I'm speaking to you guys today. I'm probably going to drag this vlog out a little bit, maybe until tomorrow or the next day or the next day. I don't know, because I have not done anything today. I mean, I'm gonna make dinner here in a little bit, but I still don't think that's gonna be enough footage to make it into one video. But yeah, I really just have nothing to say because there's just nothing going on. I'm about to fix me some lunch. Well, it's past lunch, but I'm about to fix me something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna fix, but I'm hungry. Good morning, you guys, and happy Tuesday? No, it's Wednesday. I don't even know the date. That's awful. Well, it is currently 8:51 and I just fixed my coffee. This isn't the best coffee, to be honest. I'm out of liquid creamer, so I used milk. It's not terrible. It just doesn't have any hazelnut flavor. And if you know me, then you know I'm a sucker for hazelnut creamer. It's not that bad. It's just not as sweet as I would like it. So today, can't really do much. It's been raining for the last 3 days and I don't even know what to do with myself. I haven't been able to go on a walk. I haven't been able to go outside and take pictures. I haven't been able to do anything because of the rain. And it just sucks. I hate when it rains. Like, I don't know. I can't say that because there are some days that I really like the rain, but then there's other days where I just want to do something, but I can't because of the rain. It's actually really ugly outside right now. It just looks gray. I don't know, it just looks awful. My yard looks like crap. My porch is soaking wet. We need to get a new roof because I can't even go out there and sit and watch the rain. So I'm actually restarting the show, Santa Clarita Diet. I think it's Clarita, Santa Clarita Diet. It has Drew Barrymore in it. Y'all, I freaking love Drew Barrymore. Like, everything that she's in, I've watched. But yeah, I'm restarting that show because I remember I watched season 1, but I don't remember it. So I'm going to rewatch season 1, and then when we get to season 2 and season 3, then those are episodes that I've never seen before. So that's actually on right now. I'm on episode 1. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today since it's raining and there's nothing for me to do. I'm going to drink this and I'm going to try and find something to eat. I'm also out of eggs. I need to go grocery shopping. So I might go grocery shopping like Friday or Saturday.
Make sure everything's all right.
Hi, darling.
Of course.
Hi,
So I never see Dan this morning?
No, wish I had.
Girl.
Wonderful.
Jeez.
I'm gonna check on Lisa.
Is that strange or just inconsiderate?
Inconsiderate.
All right, you guys, so it is 9:51 a.m. and it is Friday the 9th, and I just got back from returning a package. FedEx dropped off a package the other day, okay? And the address that it was supposed to go to was 129. My number is far from 129, okay? And our number is on the bottom of our door. It's on our mailbox, and we have like a little stick thing in our yard that says our number. So it just kind of confuses me how FedEx mixed that up. Like, obviously, we're not 129. Like, so at this point, I just feel like FedEx was just being lazy. That really just gets on my nerves. But yeah, I did like a 15-minute walk. I'm actually about to take the girls on a walk. This is the first day that it's not raining. So definitely getting my walks in today.
Look how cute this cow is. Look how cute. Hi.